Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how I moisturize and seal my hair. Y'all, I am sectioning off my hair into two parts: freshly washed and deep conditioned, pre-pooed, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna section my hair off into two sections, and then I'm gonna take one section and section that off into two sections. Now my parts are not perfect by any means, but that's never messed with hair growth for me. I know other people say it does, but for me it doesn't. Anyway, I'm taking my BB moisturizer and I'm taking 2/4 size amounts, and I am rubbing that on my ends first and working my way up to the top. My hair is damp, and I'm gonna take that quarter section and section it off into two sections. I try to be as gentle as possible when it comes to my hair because I don't want to break it off. Currently, I'm dealing with some breakage, but hey, it is what it is. So the castor oil I'm going to take and like grease my scalp or oil my scalp. And I just started doing that because, like I said, I've been experiencing a little bit of too much shedding. Anyway, so I'm just going to detangle that little small section, and yeah. Y'all, I just learned how to do voiceovers. I'm like so geeked right now. Okay, then I'm gonna section that off into two sections in the back, pin one up with my rat tail comb, take some olive oil and put it on the ends of that one piece. And then I'm just going to twist that up. Do a two strand twist. And I am detangling as I'm twisting it towards the bottom. I don't do this type of style I'm going to show you all the time, but this is just what works for me right now. Alright, and I'm back. So majority of my hair is done, as you can see. And I'm just taking that last section and I'm going to moisturize and seal it. What I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna tell y'all like my wash day routine. Basically, I start off by hot oil treating my hair. This time my hair needed some protein, so I just took some coconut oil and put that on my hair in a plastic bag for a good 10 minutes. Then I washed that out with my argan oil of Morocco, cream of nature, and washed it out with that shampoo. I don't know how to act, y'all, with this voiceover. But anyway, so after I did that, I then put my OGX argan extra strength conditioning on my hair with some castor oil, just to get some moisture back into it and soak up as much moisture as I can from the conditioner in my hair with that humectant castor oil. Then after I did that, I left it on overnight. I want to say a good 16 hours because I did wash my hair in midday, like around 1 or 2. And then oh, what I'm doing right now, you guys, is I'm taking some castor oil and I'm putting it around my edges. This just helps like a gel. I don't really like to use gel in my hair. I rarely use it unless I'm doing like a good braided style or something like that. But anyway, so originally I was gonna put it into 2 ponytails and then leave it like that and let it lay, but I wasn't liking how it looked, so I put it into 1 ponytail. And then you guys are gonna see me not like that style either, so I then took down my 2 little pigtails and then braided them into a total of 4 pigtails. But anyway, so I left it in overnight, a good 16 hours of deep conditioning, and I blow dried it for the first 5 minutes to add some heat to it, and then I wrapped my hair into a t-shirt to trap in the heat. So this morning I washed that out, and now I am just moisturizing and sealing. I have nothing to do today, so I'm not gonna like brush it back into a ponytail or put it into pigtails like I do if I'm going to be going somewhere. My hair will actually have some time to dry today, and usually when it dries in my moisturizing and seal technique that I'm using, it'll come out really curly and moisturized. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what I do for my moisturize and seal. And this is the part where I was telling you guys I'm just putting it into those 4 little sections, and I'm taking some additional moisturizer and oil because I had to redo it, and I don't know, it just wasn't feeling right, and I wanted to make sure I had the most moisture added to my hair as possible so I can come out the way I want it to be. Now I'm not going to show y'all the end result when it finished drying, because I mean I'm just going to put it into a low ponytail if I decide to take this style out for work. If not, more than likely I'm gonna be lazy, wake up, add some moisturizer and some oil to my hair, rub it on there, and then go to work. I'm leaving it the way it is. Alright, y'all, I'm just trying to fix it. I was thinking about putting it into a little ponytail at the top, but I was like, nah, I don't really like how that looks. And as you can see, I forgot a piece of hair right there on the side. But yeah, overall I was satisfied. I hope you guys liked this video, and see you next time. Bye.